Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove account from Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Click on the three line at the top right corner. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. And click on Logout all account. Tap on the setting icon and select the account, and finally click on remove profile, then remove account from your Instagram. That's how you can do it. If in this video helpful please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial library channel for more video.